everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know, in the previous video we did yoga part 1 and it was for body toning, but this time we're going to do a completely different exercises which I call for the overthinking. If you feel sometimes super stressed out or not confident to stand out if something's wrong, make sure you do these exercises in any time you feel like that. If you're willing to support me, please like and subscribe to my channel, and make sure, like I say, watch the video to the very end so I can get some followers because it's very important for me. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. Standing tall, place one foot on the inner thigh or calf of the opposite leg and bring your palms together at the heart or overhead. This pose improves balance, strengthens the standing leg, and builds mental focus and stability. Now, if you have done the stretch, do it on the other side. With feet grounded, spine long, shoulders relaxed, and arms by your sides with active legs. This foundational pose improves posture, body awareness, and alignment for all standing asanas. Move between arching the back, cow, and rounding the spine, cat, in a slow, controlled breath, synchronized flow. This movement increases spinal mobility and gently warms up the back and core muscles. Lift the hips upward into an inverted V shape, pressing through the palms and lengthening the spine. This pose stretches the hamstrings and shoulders while strengthening the arms and improving circulation. Step one foot forward into a deep lunge with the back knee lowered and chest lifted. This pose stretches the hip flexors and core base while improving balance and lower body strength. If you have done the straight, great job, and now do it on the other side. Sit back on your heels and fold forward, resting your forehead on the mat with arms extended or relaxed beside you. This pose gently stretches the back and hips while promoting deep relaxation and recovery. Take a wide stance and hinge forward from the hips, keeping the spine long as you fold. This pose stretches the inner thighs and hamstrings while calming the nervous system.
If you have done the stretch, great job, and now move it to the other side. Step one foot back and fold over the front leg with squared hips and a length spine. This pose deeply stretches the hamstrings and improves balance and posture. Sit up straight, bring the soles of the feet together and allow the knees to gently drop outward. This pose opens the hips and inner thighs while stimulating circulation in the lower body. Sit in a butterfly pose and extend one arm overhead, gently side bending to open the ribcage. This variation stretches the side body and interlectional muscles with improving brief cavity. Great job for doing this exercise. Now do it on the other side. Extend one leg forward, bend the other inward, and fold over the straight leg from the hips. This pose stretches the hamstrings and lower back while calming the mind. If you did this, now do it on the other side with the same instructions. This is our last exercise, which is the crocodile. Lie prone with chest slightly lifted and forearms resting comfortably on the ground. This pose releases lower back tension and supports dramatic breathing.
So that was the end of the video, and I hope you felt much better after these exercises so your anxiety and stress doesn't get to you. And if you are willing to support me and also felt good after these exercises, please like and subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. And I think you have moved and stretched so beautifully today. See you again in another video. Bye everyone.